Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save a Google Docs file on your iPhone. So the first step is to open up the Google Docs app, click on it, and then open the document that you wanna save. I'll just click on this document right here, and then it's a blank document, so I will open another document. Like this. So I just want to save this document onto my iPhone. So the first step I will do is to look up on the top right corner of the screen where it shows three dots. I will click on these three dots, and then there's an option here named share and export. I will click on this option, and then I will just select the second last option, save as Word. I will just click on it. Wait for it to be uploaded. Just click on these three dots right here, click on them, and then click on this send a copy option. Click on the send a copy option, and there you go. Yeah, it will show you the option of save to files. Click on save to files on my iPhone and save it. Now your Google Docs document has been saved on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment on the video and subscribe.